This is a deluxe studio here at the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Today we'll be staying in room 1111 here on the first floor of the Villas building. I can use my magic band to enter the studio here. So let's head on in and take a look. As we walk into our deluxe studio here at the Grand Floridian, we are greeted by the entrance space. Off to the right, you'll notice this door. This door is used to connect to the adjoining one-bedroom villa. So if you booked this room as a two-bedroom lock-off unit, or if you booked them as two separate units and wanted to connect the two, you could open this door and make it a lock-off. This room would act as the second bedroom for the adjoining one-bedroom if you booked it as such. Now here in the hallway, if we move forward, we have this nice closet here off to the right. Opening it up, you'll notice that you have a lot of hanger space. They also provide you with two bathrobes when staying at the villas at Grand Floridian. You have an iron and ironing board. You have a luggage rack on the bottom, and you also have a wall-mounted in-room safe. You also have 4 shelf cubbies off to the right-hand side of the closet for additional storage, and you have 2 extra pillow and blanket sets as well, which are actually not sealed, I'm noticing, which is very un-Disney-like. They're usually sealed to let you know that they have been cleaned. Right next to the closet, moving over to the left, is going to be the kitchenette space here in the studio. All studios, or a majority of studios in DVC, have kitchenettes. They are not full-size kitchens. You can see here you have a small little sink that you can use to hand wash dishes. They do provide you with a hand pump of hand dish soap. In the back corner you have a dish drying towel as well as a dish sponge, as well as a roll of paper towels. On the countertop you have a single brew Keurig K-Cup coffee maker. They do provide you with Joffrey's K-Cups as well as Twinings tea K-Cups, regular Twinings tea bags, sugar and sugar substitute, stirrers, and International Delight coffee creamer. And you also get a 2-burner toaster on the countertop as well. Above the countertop, you have a very small microwave oven that you can use to reheat food. I believe this is only a 900 watt microwave, if I'm not mistaken. So use that accordingly. Cabinet on the left over here does come with 4 glass drinking cups, 4 ceramic hot drinking mugs, plenty of plastic cutlery. You have paper hot cups, as well as some plastic lids, paper plates tucked away in the back. And on the top shelf, you have your in-room provided ice chest, a bottle opener and a corkscrew, as well as a can opener. There is also a small storage area here above the microwave that is empty for you to store your own items as you bring them. Underneath the counter here in the kitchenette, you do have a very small refrigerator and freezer. This is considered a refrigerator. It gets down to refrigerator temperatures, and you have a small freezer space as well with no provided ice maker or ice tray. Under the sink, you do have a small trash can, as well as extra toilet paper and tissues, and extra paper towels. Now across from the kitchenette here in the studio is going to be your bathroom space. You do kind of have a split bathroom here in the Grand Floridian Studios, which I really like. It reminds me of the Disney Cruise Line. This first bathroom here is a toilet and bathtub room. You have your toilet. On top of the toilet you have extra toilet paper. And then moving upwards, you can see we have 3 bath towels. We also have a hand towel and a small washcloth arranged very nicely in this floral pattern. You also have a towel hook to the right of your clean towels. You have a tub and shower in this room here with a provided shower mat and sea salt bar bath soap. On the far wall, you have your wall-mounted Sea Marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body wash. And you have 1 standard shower head in this bathroom here that looks like you can twist and adjust your spray pattern however you like. You have shower curtains in this particular bathroom. And you also have a clothesline that you can span across your bathtub to line dry clothes, bathing suits, and whatever you need to dry during your stay. These bathrooms have pocket doors that you can slide back and forth for your privacy. You also have a pocket door between the two split bathrooms, so you can block them off as necessary. You have a walk-in shower here in the second bathroom with a provided shower mat on the door handle. It's a pretty decently sized walk-in shower, about residential size. You again have wall-mounted sea marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body wash off to the left. You have two shower heads in this bathroom. You have your standard removable shower head that you can use to take off and shower however you like. And you also have a rainfall shower head up above. You also have a bench in here to help you take a shower if that's something that you need. You have a one sink vanity in this space here. From left to right, they do provide you with a box of tissues with the Grand Floridian logo embossed, which is a nice touch. Back behind the box of tissues here, you have two 120 volt outlets. You have a hand towel provided. You have two hand pumps with sea salt body lotion and sea salt hand soap. You have sea salt bar bath soap provided, and you also have Disney Resort branded mouthwash provided to you as well. We have another hand towel off to the right, and a makeup mirror built into the wall here as well. You have two drawers on either side of the vanity, or maybe you don't. Oh, they're not drawers, they're flippy downy things. These are available for extra storage as needed. That one's a drawer. Very confusing. Your in-room hair dryer is going to be on this right-hand side shelf, as well as an extra bath towel. You have a small wastebasket under the sink, another bath towel, and plenty of washcloths and hand towels available extra for you as well. Making our way past the restroom and the kitchenette is going to be your sleeping and living room space. Here in the studios, you get a queen-size bed with 4 available pillows to choose from. To the left of the bed, you do have some artwork based off of some Sherman Brothers Disney movies, including The Happiest Millionaire and Mary Poppins. You also have your in-room thermostat mounted to this wall as well. An important thing to note about this bed here in the Deluxe Studio is that it is not a raised platform bed, so you cannot store bags underneath like other Disney rooms, but you do have one large storage drawer off here on the right-hand side, and something I didn't even notice the first time I stayed in these rooms. This panel here slides across and does reveal a small cubby for a medium to small sized suitcase. So there are some pretty creative storage solutions in this room. Since there's no dresser, you have the drawer off to the right and the small little space for your suitcase. To the right of the bed here, you have a nice little nightstand that has 2 drawers. The top drawer comes with a Bible, and you also have your in-room phone here as well. To the right, you have a 2-cushion couch that does fold down into a Murphy-style queen-size bed, 2 individual coffee tables that can free roam. Across from the couch, you do also have a table with 2 chairs available, a small mirror, and a floor lamp that you can turn on and off as you wish. Across from your regular bed over here, you have a 55-inch high-definition TV with the updated set-top boxes that are hotel and room specific. Atop your dresser over here, you have these 2 small cabinets that you can use to store additional items as needed. On the left over here, you do have a Hey Disney Amazon Alexa device that you can turn on or off, use however you'd like. You do also have a small trash can and recycling receptacle in between your TV and your table space. Now, you don't have any drawers in this dresser. This instead folds down into a twin-size trundle bed that I can fold down like this. And there you have it. You have a 5th sleeper for this room. Now, it is not recommended to have anyone over 150 pounds sleep on this bed. This is more meant for smaller children or adults, or larger children and smaller adults, excuse me. These are known to topple over if you have a heavier individual on these. Ask me how I know that. The artwork on the back wall over here is themed to Mary Poppins. You have some excerpts from Mary Poppins off to the side, and you have the Banks children sleeping here in the middle. The Deluxe Studio does also come with its own balcony or patio access. Because we are on the first level of the Villa's building, we have a patio. They are, however, all equipped the same with these 2 iron chairs and an iron table. And this particular room has a nice view of this hedge and the breezeway connecting the Villa's building to the main building of Grand Floridian way off yonder. The windows to the balcony here can be closed off using these 2 curtains. You have a privacy screen that allows some light to pass through, but if you're looking for a little more privacy or more darkness, you have the secondary shade, which is very nice and floral and very elegant indeed. Here is what the living room looks like with all of the pull-down beds pulled down, so all 5 sleepers. It's gonna be a tight squeeze with 5 people in this room, especially with the lack of available storage for drawers. But you can walk around pretty freely with all of them pulled down and none of our luggage in here. Important to note here, there is some artwork on the headboard of the pull-down Murphy bed, which depicts some artwork from Cherry Tree Lane and Mary Poppins. There's also a light switch off to the right here that will turn on and off the accent lighting above the artwork. So that is our walkthrough of the Deluxe Studio with a resort view here at the Villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Points values for this room vary depending on the time of year you are staying and the length of your stay. For one night at the end of February, this room cost us 22 points. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central, and hit that notification bell and turn on all notifications. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.